Today we ask the age-old question, can we make a low-carb version of the Orange Chicken Parm from Good Mythical Morning? Let's talk about that.
Whoa, no. You guys definitely don't have the right series.
Oh, okay. I'll just go ahead and roll the Cooking with Good Pal intro then. Ooh. Welcome back to Cooking with Good Pal, guys, the only YouTube channel that offers low-carb cuisines and dank memes. So if that's something that's up your alley, go and hit that subscribe button right now. If you don't, it's gonna all go away. All the memes. Editor, go ahead and stop panning. If you guys don't subscribe, and that's it. No more sounds. It's no more props. It's that's it. But if you guys subscribe, then we'll keep it going. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'll always just keep it going. All right, as the title suggests, we're gonna be making the Orange Chicken Parm from Good Mythical Morning.
Oh, you remember the Orange Chicken Parm? It's seed number 2.
If you remember, it was also voted the #1 food creation of 2021 for the show. I just remember being blown away by this thing.
Good Mythical Morning is something that I've personally been watching probably for the past 4 or 5 years, and recently they named this dish as their all-time favorite savory dish of pretty much their show's entirety. And being a lover of chicken parm and specifically Panda Express's orange chicken, I knew this was something I definitely had to make a low-carb version of. But before we get into that, let's do the beer for this episode is going to be Apex Predator by Off Color Brewing Company. This is a 6.5% farmhouse ale. Beautiful color, nice and golden, slightly opaque. Aroma's super bright. Nice little slight orange or lemon in there. I'd say probably leans more towards lemon. That's phenomenal. Tiny little hint of funk in there, but good balance of malt character as well. Yeah, nice high carbonation. I'm gonna give this like a solid 4.8 out of 5 stars. This is like a really good beer. So let's go ahead and get started with the Orange Chicken Parm. First off, we're gonna tackle our marinade for the chicken. Get chicken, it's chicken time, here we go. All right, we are using chicken thighs for this recipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up, I wanna do a little bit bigger pieces. I'm just kind of getting rid of the fat as well. Probably about maybe 1 inch to 2 inch pieces will be just fine. If you guys hear any strange banging, I'm pretty sure somebody's
beating their meat somewhere, so just don't mind that.
And just so you guys know too, I'm pulling this recipe straight from Mythical Chef Josh. The only thing I'm going to be doing is subbing out a few things. Definitely can't use cornstarch, unfortunately. Definitely can't use like a regular sugar, so we're going with a sugar alternative, Swerve in this case. By the way, I feel like at this point, Swerve, come on man. Sponsor? Maybe? Okay, next we're going to get our marinade together. All right, so this is a pretty simple marinade. I'm just gonna start with 1 egg white. We'll go ahead and whisk that, get that going. All right, once you got that whisked, you can go and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar alternative, Swerve. The recipe calls for white pepper. Can't find white pepper anywhere, so we're just gonna go with actually this rainbow blend. About 1/4 teaspoon, just, nothing too crazy. And we'll go ahead and whisk all that together. Don't need the whisk anymore. Let's go ahead and just use our hands here and we'll get all of our chicken into the marinade. And let's go ahead and make sure everything gets nicely mixed up. Okay, with all that mixed up, we'll go and throw it in the fridge for at least an hour. And in the meantime, we'll work on something else. Loser! Yeah, that's a good beer. I love Off Color, man. Color? In Josh's recipe, he takes the entire chicken marinade and adds flour and cornstarch to it. We can't do flour and cornstarch, so the marinade is gonna have to do its job flavoring the chicken, but we're going to have to go with the tried and true method of using pork rinds for breading. All right, and that's pretty much gonna do it for our breading. Pretty typical. I feel like I could season this a little bit. You know what? I'm kind of doing this on the fly a little bit. I'm feeling this. A little bit of dried basil, a little bit of 5 spice. We're just doing this shit on the fly. Let's fucking go. All right, it is sticky sweet tomato sauce time. First things first, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and 1 tablespoon of ginger minced. And we'll just go ahead and saute these until they become fragrant. I had my heat a little high, so I'm actually gonna start with my water so I can. Oh. everything's fine. That's not how that works. But, oh God. That was 2 tablespoons of water. Next up, we'll do a pinch of chili flakes. I've actually got Korean chili flakes. Where the fuck am I? 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil and a 1/2 teaspoon of cracked fennel seed are going in. Next up, I've got a can of, he says 12 ounces of tomato juice. I've got tomato sauce. So.
If you don't got no sauce, then
I'm guessing that's what he meant. I'm gonna lower my heat because I'm freaking this thing out. I've got 15 ounces in this can, so I'm just gonna use a little bit and leave some behind. Let's give it mixed up. Luckily, I did not burn anything. I thought I don't know. Next up, just a teaspoon of sriracha, about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and the last thing we'll do is add a 1/4 cup of Swerve, regular sugar substitute, whatever. I almost missed 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. I thought I had my shit together, but apparently not. Listen, you're not here for culinary expertise. You're here for a good time, not a long time. Sure, yeah, we'll go with that. All right, I'm gonna transfer this over to the stove behind me, keep it on a low heat, and we'll start working on getting our chicken fried up. Chicken fried.
go be a Friday night.
Alright, so the thing is, I am scared to death of frying something using this. So I will show you the breading station, everything before that, but I'm going to fry over there on the stove.
Pick that shit up, you piece of shit!
Okay, so where we're at now, I've got the sticky sweet tomato sauce on a low simmer, and I've got our oil, our vegetable oil, heating up to about 350 degrees.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Okay, that's scary. Okay, anyways, so while that's going, I have a theory. I've been thinking about it, and I might be able to find a way to keep all of this marinade. Typically, you would do an egg wash, chicken, egg wash, pork rind, breadcrumbs, fry. What I'm thinking though, since I've already got one egg white in there, let's just get one more egg, get that all whisked up, not whisked, and we'll go and add it straight into here. Why this is important to me is so that we can keep that marinade flavor, that soy sauce, that rice wine vinegar. This seems like it's doing the job of an egg wash, so this should be able to hold the pork rinds just fine. I'm gonna give it a test. Egg wash into the pork rinds. I gotta look back through that footage because I don't know if y'all could see that random flame flare up thing, but that was fucking scary. Because I'm like, for some reason I have this fear that the bottom of the wok is gonna just combust and oil is gonna get everywhere and just I'll die. Yeah, that would suck. Okay, yeah, I would say that definitely worked. That met and surpassed my expectations. So now I'm going to get the rest of my chicken fried up and I will meet you guys as soon as I'm done that. Okay, all right, so the chicken is finally done frying. I keep underestimating how well a good egg wash and pork rinds do for frying chicken. These are perfect, little crispy, like I would say they're almost like a chicken nugget texture. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get all of our chicken into our cast iron skillet if you can, but anything that is oven safe is going to work best. As you can see, our sauce thickened up very nicely, so this should have no problem coating the chicken whatsoever. Okay, and let's go ahead and toss everything. Make sure everything is nice and coated. Oh, shit. Now what we're gonna do is disperse some of our low moisture cubed mozzarella. Okay, that looks pretty good there. All right, and we also took a good handful of cherry tomatoes and just halved them. We're going to also evenly distribute those. Add a little bit of brightness, a little bit of sure. One thing that Josh did not do, that threw me off a little bit, was just a nice little helping of shredded mozzarella on top. Dude, I'm already excited for this, holy shit. In the recipe, Josh says to put it into an oven at 500 degrees for 8 minutes. Mine does not reach 500. Mine only reaches 450. So I'm gonna put it in for about 10 minutes. I'll check on it. If I need to switch the settings over to broil to be able to make sure everything's melted down and get some nice color, I'll do that. But I'll meet you guys as soon as that's done. So,
Oh, smack the shit out of me.
all right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chances I've got to land this in my mouth. Let's go. Oh, fuck, dude, I took one. Get the fuck out of here. People are probably gonna see this video and think, oh wow, Jared's doing something different. He's trying a new angle. Nope, we just, we bought a rug that's underneath our couch now. So now I can't move the couch, it's easy. That's it. Okay, I think it's time to pull it out. So let's see. Yeah, buddy, all right. All right, and the last thing Josh has to do is top it with some fresh basil and a nice little drizzle of a good quality olive oil. And that's it. There it is, a low-carb version of Good Mythical Morning's Orange Chicken Parm. It's fucking... Oh god, it's gonna be fucking hot. No fucking way. Josh, you beautiful motherfucker. Oh, God. Holy fuck. It's so fucking good. This is so stupid, but it makes so much fucking sense. This is it right here. Wow. 100%. I get why this is their favorite savory dish of all time in GMM. That might actually be one of the best things I've ever put in my mouth.
That's what she said.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you to Good Mythical Morning and Mythical Kitchen for this beautiful creation. Well, I'm gonna go make sweet love to this, so like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all on the next one.